If you're a service provider or an architect, you know that keeping track of clients, project health, and task deadlines usually feels like managing chaos. Most people use 5 different apps for this, but to save you all the trouble, I built one business engine to replace them all. So let's look at this dashboard. Here, you can use a, or you can just click new client and it will give you a new lead. This is an automated CRM. When a lead becomes a client, you don't move a card. You automatically calculate the project value and prepare your workspace. For example, let's use let's use this lead Bootsco. So, if you add a project, it will automatically transfer it to active. And so you won't be in confusion on what project. You can also click the project and you can add here your contracts and assets, including how much of a value your project would cost, including the timeline. And make it easier, I also added the task feature so you can add new tasks and you can also add deadlines for it. For example, let's make the deadline today. Here you go. And date is today. And as you can see, it appeared over here. So if you click done, it also shows that there's already 100% completion and it's already complete. So why is the status in progress? You can also just change it to done, or if the project isn't on hold or not yet started. And here, as you can see, let's peek through here. There are 3 statuses. Here, it gives you the project health and it basically gives you an overview if your project is on track, needs attention, or completed. Now, if you go to your project page, it easily shows you the different views of your project and also includes any, especially here. Let's make it easier. Here you go. There are document vaults that makes it easier so you can see any signed contracts and everything. Now, I'm launching this today for $79, but for the first 5 people who want to upgrade their workflow, use Launch 30 at the link below for a massive discount. Let's get your business organized and see you inside. Hopefully, this helps you all in your work. Thank you.